Tradition to get a 1,000 subscriber and 4,000 watch hour. Then this I'm about to show you. It's going to make it more easier, and best of it all, it is free of charge. So today I will be teaching you how to use this application and how to use to drive traffic and subscribers to your channel. Yes, so you don't need to miss any part of this video. Don't miss it. So let's start. So first, open your YouTube application. I'll be making use of the side of my video. Look at it. Click on where you used to have your videos. Are you seeing it? So let me quickly pick the video to use for practical. This video is like this now. Let me pick this video. Why starting a YouTube channel in 2025 could literally change your life. Are you seeing it? That video I want to pick. Okay. And let me copy the link. Let me click copy the link. So after copying the link, next, I've copied the link up. Next, you go to your browser, any browser of your choice. It's not about it should be Chrome, it can be the phone browser, it can be Opera, it can be Safari, any browser of your choice. But our advice is that always use Chrome. Chrome is the best browser so far. So I'll be making use of Chrome. So I'll open my Chrome and I'll search for. So I'll open our Chrome and I'll search for. After opening the Chrome, you search for Opus clips. I seen it. So we bring out different types. Can you see different types? So I'll click on the one that is Wayin.ai. Can you see it? Wayin.ai. I'll click on it. So when it's loaded, can you see the home page? So you need to sign up because you cannot use the app without signing up. So you click on the setting icon. Just click on my side in case you have lost. And click on continue with Google. Allow it to load, click on Gmail, then it's login. It's very easy to sign up, Sha. It's not something that you have to go through any stress. So next thing is to paste in your link. The link that we copied from YouTube that time. We paste in the link. Then it says what? Start processing. Then start processing. It does not take time to process, Sha. It does not take time. It all depends on your network. As I say, network. It is very fast. So when it is done, you will see the video that we copied the link. If you this video, this video now. Starting a YouTube channel in Nigeria, blah blah blah. And under it, you will see one click to grass moment instantly, or glass or graphs. See, just use it under it, Sha. So what do? You just click on it. What under all this process that used to take, it does not take time. So why is processing? Special shout out to my Namibia friend. I'm Alima, who is into vlog and lifestyle content. She's a very, very fun person to be with. You can check out her channel and subscribe to her channel. Her channel will be appearing by the side as it's processing one side. Her channel will appear one side. So while it's processing, don't forget to subscribe to her channel too. Subscribe to her channel. And okay, so quick one. If you have not subscribed to my channel, do me a favor by subscribing, liking this video, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss my next upload. If you have any question, you can ask me and leave me a good comment. So why it's not processing? I want you to take one note of something very important. So why it's done processing? I want you to take note of something very, very important, which is one of these why I said don't skip any part of this video. One of the reasons why I love just like that, it generates close to 10 or more than 10 shots at the same time. Do you understand? Are you seeing it? It creates title, description, tags. Just look at my side. Are you seeing it? You see it? It created plenty shots. Are you seeing it? So you pick one of the shots it created. So first is to copy the title and description. That's if you're using Samsung Go, but if you're using iPhone, you can come back and copy it. But just copy it first for now and give it a thumbs up. So next is what? Click on the download icon. So while it's loading, don't skip any part of this video because you don't want to miss any information I'm sharing during this video. And always make sure you use your own video to avoid copyright strike. Yes, always make sure you use your own video to avoid copyright strike. So while it's done loading, you will see something like capturing. See, I beg name of God, please and please, and please, and please, don't use their capturing. Yes, don't use their caption, don't use that talk. Don't use it to, don't use their capturing. So you click on the capturing icon Because if you use the caption, you will not like the way the caption will appear, or you will not like the outcome of the caption when it comes out fully. You will not like, so don't use their caption. I say it to go. Say it again. Don't use their caption. Don't use it to. So you have the caption and click on the download icon. And you can change the aspect ratio, but I advise not to change it. Don't change any aspect ratio because you might not also like the outcome. Say here. Then click on export. And you can change the quality to 1808p. 108p. Just look at it too. Then you export it, or you can do it before you export anyone you like. But I advise you only change to 108p. Then you export it. Then to tell you something like this. Just look at my side. To tell you. What they are telling you is read it. They are telling you to avoid copyright strike because what it says, ensure the video you use comply with YouTube copyright laws by proceeding. Are you seeing it? You click on what? Confirm that the original video is your own content. You confirm that the video is your own content. The reason why I say you should avoid copyright strike is because I recently collected copyright strike on YouTube, and I talked about it in this video. See, to appear on one of the side of my video, to appear. I talked about it in one of my videos. So go and watch it to avoid copyright strike. I was able to post for weeks to avoid copyright strike. So you click on mark and press confirm. Then what? It says exporting in progress. I hope you are following. I hope you are following the video. It says exporting in progress. We are progressing your movement. You will notify you when it is ready, and you'll find it in library exported. So go ahead and click on that library exported. Yes, so that I can take note of the process. How many percent it is, how many kineko. See, I want to know one thing. When it finishes exporting, download it directly to your phone. It has not exported finish. Download it directly to your phone because what? If you not download it directly to your phone, it expires after 3 days. Yes. It expires after what? 3 days. After 3 days, not to be there again. So now it's being exported. Are you looking at my side? So next is to download it to your phone. Click on the download icon and start downloading automatically. Can you see it? Downloading. Then download does not take time. Depending on your network, I have to see. It's very fast. It's very easy to download. Once it is downloaded, you will see open, or better still, go to your browser to your download. Don't look at my side, Don't look at my side. Can you see it? So we will play the video. One of the best part is that this is part of the short we remove from our log form content. Are you seeing it? It's part of the short we remove from our log form content. So you understand? And let me quickly show you something. Assuming you downloaded the video with captioning, that's how it will look like, something like this. Can you see it? Can you see it block my face? You cannot see my face very well because of what the captioning. Can you see it? This is why I said you should not download it with captioning. Yes. So if you feel like to download, use captioning. Next step is for you to go to your editing application, either InShot, CapCut, any editing application, and change the aspect ratio and put caption if you want. It's optional now. You understand? But because of time, I will not do that. Because of time, I will not do that. I don't want the video to be I don't want this video to reach 10 minutes or 15 minutes. Yes, say it's too much, 12 minutes, and I'm not sure it will reach 12 minutes. So go to your YouTube application. Go to your YouTube application. Click on the plus icon, pick shots, and pick the video we just downloaded. Just look at my side in case I'm saying something here. Just look at my side, and click the mark icon. Are you seeing it? Then to load the shot, paste the title we just copied and description. You may not really see a description, so you can use your YouTube Studio application. Sure you get that one. You can use your Studio application because I talked about it in one of my videos about 5 things to add after uploading your videos. Then it stays copied. Then you paste in the description, the tag, everything I copy because what they do help. Pasting description and tags, they do help. So next is you click on the pencil icon and search for a captivating part out of that video and make it public. and you click on no, it is not meant for kids. I say it. Then pick related video. So you pick the video created short from. Don't look at my side though. Are you getting it? You pick the video created short from. And that is this video. This video I will just copy. And click altered content. Click no. Because it's not AI content. But if it's AI content, click yes. You can click on then upload your short. Then what? Upload your shorts. See, I want you to remember that shorts are pushed to a wider audience than regular video. So when people are watching it, they will also come back to your main video because of what? They are coming to your shorts automatically to watch your video. Because shorts is to go far, yes. They are going to subscribe. Because once you upload a short, that is part of your long form content. Not that you upload a short that is not your long form content to know. That's why you used to generate traffic to your channel and you will link it to the full video. So you can go and finish the many settings on your YouTube studio. Check out what I'm saying. So the short is going to what? It's going to bring people to watch it. That's why I make sure that the short you upload is what? It's the one that is captivating. It's not that the video is captivating that okay. Part of this short is not that it's captivating, something that's okay. You don't want to watch the full video by force by fire. I hope you understand what I just do now. So you can go and finish up in your YouTube studio, the setting, practice to add. I already talked about it in this video. You can go and watch it in that video. So I hope you understand it works, yeah? And in case you are lost, ask questions. In case you don't understand what I just taught you, ask questions. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss my next upload. And what? Check out my playlists. So I hope you find this video helpful. See you in my next video. I am Cool Vibes. Bye bye.